is
Okay.
someone. This is like all the
Okay.
way.
How, hold on. Did you talk to her so that she told you that she was gonna meet you at the bus station or what?
Correct, sir.
Okay. And okay. All right.
But
Go ahead.
I had to pretend that the boyfriend didn't have told me anything because like I don't want her to change her mind or anything. Like so I told her like, oh, like what had happened? And she's like, no, then I'm gonna take.
Okay. Oh yes. So obviously, what the boyfriend's the one that talked her into bringing the child back, basically.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. So, but okay. All right. Fine. All right. So, let's take what else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, well, obviously, based upon all the children are with him now, and I'm glad they're with him. Based on the evidence presented, he will be the managing conservator. And the mother will be possessory conservator. As far as visitation, at this time, I don't have anything sufficient to be able to set anything. So I'm gonna go as mutually visitation as mutually agreed. Until someday she appears before this court and she's gonna have to take some type of parenting, drug abuse course before the court will consider some type of specific visitation. Right now, the only visitation that we're exceed will be as mutually agreed. So if she wants to see her children, she's gonna have to civilly talk to this young man. And if he feels that is not safe for her to visit, then she's not gonna visit, but that's her fault, not his. So managing conservative with visitation as mutually agreed. It's not in the children's best interest at this time, without the mother being present, for me to award specific visitation because the court would first require that she have parenting classes plus drug abuse classes. Parenting and drug abuse. So if she wishes to come to court in the future, present that and court will consider modifying, but not now, there will be no specific visitation rights. Child support. This is nothing on you, sir, but you're not the only one that has a duty to support your children. And even though you're disabled, what type of disability are you on, sir? What do you have?
Physical disabled, sir.
Yeah, but what type? I mean, you keep some kind of, have you been disabled by Social Security or what?
Correct, Your Honor.
What type of, SSI or what?
It's kind of mixed between both of them. They don't even know what it is. I'm physically disabled. I have medals in half of my body, in my whole bone. All bones on my right side of my body have medals in them.
And are you on SSI? Are you on SSI?
I'm on SSI disability, sir.
There you
Your
go.
Honor.
Okay, that's it. And so that's what I'm saying. I'm hearing myself again, so you got some feedback coming from your equipment. I'm hearing myself talking. Okay, see if you can correct it. Okay, there you go. I think no. I can still hear myself.
I wouldn't know how. I'm not good with technology, Your Honor.
All right, well, I'm not either, right? But you see, I can hear myself. I can hear myself. I'm gonna try to do the best I can here. So what I'm saying, you may not want child support, and that's fine, sir, but it's not whether you want it or not. She has a duty to help you support these children, not just you. And you do it with your SSI check, which is not too much. You still do it. So I will set child support in this case. How many other children does she have besides these 3 children, sir?
She has one more child, sir.
One more. All right. So state minimum wage for 3 children is what?
Your Honor, they came out to $296.
Child support, again, I commend you, sir. You say you don't want her to pay. Again, it's her obligation to pay, not whether you want it or not. So she will pay $296 a month beginning on January 1 of 2023. The father will apply the chips and she will pay $63 a month medical support, beginning also 1/1/23. Okay. Since he's not asking for any support, no retroactive child support. No retroactive, no back child support. She'll have the obligation, not because he wants it, but because she has a duty to support her children. Court costs assessed against her, $200 of which will be due by January 15, 23. Balance as billed. What else, Dick?
Your Honor, and we'd ask for non-disclosure.
Non-disclosure be granted. You don't have to let her know where she lives based upon the evidence presented. Non-disclosure is granted.